Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start now, open settings and go straight to display and brightness. Turn off night shift and true tone so software color shifts stop affecting white balance. Next, head to accessibility right arrow display and text size and disable color filters. These can add a yellow cast. Once done, restart the phone to clear cache settings and show an accurate reference. Use a plain white image or the camera preview to judge results. This tells you if the issue is software or still present after toggles. Once the basic toggles didn't fully fix it, adjust white calibration controls. Check reduce white point and white point in accessibility. Lower or disable them to remove tint. Make sure iOS is up to date. Software fixes can correct display color profiles. If that fails, reset display-related settings or reset all settings to restore default color handling. This preserves data but clears custom configs. When you do these steps, recheck with the same white reference to confirm progressive improvement. You're at the finish line. If software routes didn't remove the yellow cast, back up and perform a DFU restore to rule out firmware corruption. This reinstalls iOS cleanly. Physically inspect the front camera and sensor area. Dirt or adhesive can scatter warm light. Clean gently with a microfiber cloth. If the screen still looks yellow, the LCD or backlight may be aged or damaged, so seek professional repair. Troubleshooting tip. Compare to another iPhone to confirm whether it's hardware. If so, don't DIY risky screen repairs.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.